Hello viewers, I am Abu Frederick, and in today's video I will be taking you through some errors in Microsoft Excel. I have some few of them, though not all, but I'll try my best to at least emphasize on them. So without wastage of time, I want to go straight to what I have for you today. So the first error that I have here in Microsoft Excel during your calculations, let me show you the first one that I have. So this is the error that I was talking about. So this error is caused like in case the space for the numbers that you have calculated is not enough in a cell. So how do you work upon such an error? You can work upon it by expanding the space, and then it gives you what you want, or the result of your calculation. And then the second error that I'll tell you is this #diff/0 and then that exclamation mark. That error occurs whenever you divide a number by 0. Assuming you've divided 19 by 0, this is always an error. It will not give you that it is 0 or it is impossible. It will just give you diff/0 and then that exclamation mark. And then the third error in Microsoft Excel is the hash value. Such an error always occurs when you divide a number like this, 20, by a non-numeric value like a letter K. And so in case you divide it by a numeric number by an alphabet or any other number figure that is not a numeric one, it will give you such an error. And then the other one that I should show you, this is how it looks. It is #n capital slash and then the exclamation. That one normally arises in lookups. So how do you fix such an error? You can verify the lookup value exists in your source data, and then check for your type or extra spaces or and data type mismatches. Like in case it is a lookup function, if you're using a lookup whether in V or H lookup, these are normally the errors that you may find. So you have to check for the typos or the extra spaces in your worksheet. And then the other error that I'm going to show you, it is #name. So for the #name, it is when the function is not recognized, like unrecognized in the formula. Like in case you have misspelled function name, undefined name range, or unquoted text string, that is when it will arise. And then the sixth error that I'm going to tell you, it is, let me show for you here, it is like #null. A #null and then with that exclamation. That anomaly arises like when you have an invalid range intersection, like incorrect use of space character between ranges that don't intersect. So in case your ranges don't intersect, this is what you will get: hash null and then that exclamation mark. So how do you work upon such a problem? The next error that I'm going to tell you, it is hash num and then exclamation. This one normally arises in case the number in the table array is invalid. So this is like in case you're getting a square root of a negative number, dividing a small value by a bigger one like 0.01 divided by 8 million something. This is what it will give you. That one shows the errors in your calculation. So in brief, these are some of the few errors that you may encounter in your calculations in Excel. Though these ones are not all, but these ones are just the common errors that you may encounter in your calculation while working with Excel. So thank you for watching my video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and comment. Thank you very much.